Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to discuss about water conditioner, this tool. See, water conditioning is one of the budget friendly solution to deal with the hard water. So if you have hard water problem in your area, then stay tuned, this video is going to be very useful to you. So in this video mainly we'll discuss three things. One is the cost of buying, installing and maintaining. Okay, second thing is how this works, and the third thing is the pros and cons of this water conditioner. So the cost, see, this device costed me 2700 rupees. I bought it from Amazon. I'll put the link of this product in the description, you can explore. And see, the installation is very simple. There is a thread attached to it. Using this thread you have to just dip it inside the overhead tank. You can keep it at the half length or at the bottom. Maintenance is very simple. This device lasts for about 1 year. Okay, you have to replace after 1 year, that's it. This one device is good enough for a tank capacity of 1500 liters to 2000 liters, family size of 3 to 4 members. Okay. That's about the cost, installation and maintenance. Okay, now let's see the functioning. See, this device is made up of food grade plastic. So the outside which you see, it's a plastic material, and inside this there is a filter, and inside that filter there is some material. You see this white material coming out, okay, that's some material. That's actually the water conditioner. So what it does is it will slowly release this material, okay, and this is the actual conditioner. This material is made up of 7 different elements, and essentially what it does, the hardness which we have in our water, that means the presence of magnesium and the calcium ions, so this will create the coating of phosphate on the magnesium and calcium ions and will make them inert. So all the side effect of the hard water will not occur. For example, the scaling in the overhead tank, scaling in the commode flush tank, and the pipe blockage, tap blockage, so and the skin irritations, those problems will not happen. If you want to know more about this device, then you can explore their website dkl.co.in, and you can also call these numbers. Okay, I also gathered this information by calling these numbers only. Okay, so that's about the functioning part. Okay, now let's discuss about pros and cons. So let's start with the pros first. See, the first thing is this device works. In our home we have a hard water, okay, the TDS is 1500 and the hardness is somewhere close to 750, so this works for that. Okay, before using this we used to face a lot of scaling and the pipe blockage and the skin irritation. After installing this we are not facing. Okay, now second thing is this is cost effective. So this device cost about 2700 rupees and one device works for 1 year. So 2700 rupees for 1 year, it's a very good deal. If you compare this one with other solutions like softener, then this is very economic. The last thing is the installation and maintenance. See, the installation is very simple. With this thread you have to just dip it inside the overhead tank and that's it, you are done. No extra plumbing is required. And maintenance is also very simple. It works for about 1 year, and after 1 year you have to just replace this device, that's it. There's no manual intervention required in between. So that's about the advantages. Now let's see the disadvantage. See, the only problem which I found is material is not released in a linear fashion. That is the only problem I observed. And even after this non-linear material release, this is working for last 9 months. This is our 10th month. I'm pretty sure that it will work for at least 1 year. So that's all about this water conditioner. If you want to explore this product, I have put the link of this product in the description. You can explore on the Amazon site. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.